Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram live sessions private from certain people, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram live from specific accounts using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu there. Find and click on the option labeled More. This will open up a list of additional settings and features. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can control many aspects of your Instagram experience. In the Settings menu, look for the option called Hide Story and Live. Click on it to access the privacy controls for both your stories and your live videos. Now, you'll see a list of your followers. This is where you can choose exactly who you want to hide your live videos from. Scroll through the list and select the accounts you'd like to exclude. You can pick as many people as you need. Once you've made your selections, your live videos will be hidden from those specific accounts, and they won't be notified about your live sessions. This new update makes it easier than ever to control your privacy, giving you more freedom over who sees your content. Whether you want to keep your live sessions private from coworkers, acquaintances, or just a few select followers, these steps have you covered. That's all it takes. You've now learned how to hide your Instagram live from specific accounts using the app on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.